The Chinese are well known when it comes to eating weird foods, and the recent coronavirus outbreak is thought to be the result of their strange eating habits. You see, there are several types of coronavirus, all of which have their origins in bats. It's also heard that a snake would have eaten an infected bat and then someone ate that snake and got the virus. Well, that said, here's a list of 10 most unusual foods that only exist in China. Want to learn about the weirdest Chinese street food? Then make sure to check out our #1 video. We begin our list with a rather disturbing video taken in Guangdong province in South China. I know that you didn't ask for this, but here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare giant snake soup. The guy in this video first carefully washes the snake, then puts it in a bowl until the snake is completely clean. Then he cuts it from top to bottom. Notice how the snake's body still moves around even after it's been gutted completely. I think I'm not going to be eating meat for a long time after watching this video. Thank you, China. Snake soup was once considered a luxury dish by the Chinese. It was enjoyed only by wealthy people, but later on it became common among the classes as well. Snake soup is also used for medicinal purposes in China because they believe it cures ailments such as arthritis and improves blood circulation. However, eating snake soup might also be the easiest way to get coronavirus. Just saying. Blowfish. If you know your sea creatures, you'll understand why it's weird that anyone would serve a blowfish as a meal. But hey, we're talking about China here, so no surprise there. Anyway, blowfish or pufferfish is one of the most deadly creatures on the planet. What do I mean? You see, nearly all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a toxin that is so powerful and deadly that it can kill 30 people in one hit. What makes it even more dangerous is the fact that there isn't any antidote. So how and why do people still eat it, you ask? Well, that, my friends, is a very interesting question. You have to remove the poison, obviously, but it's not like anyone can do it. Only a specially trained chef with years of experience can prepare it. It's pretty brave to trust your chef to be good enough to get the poison out. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't risk it. Strangely, some chefs actually choose to leave a little bit of the toxin in the fish, which causes a tingling sensation on the lips and tongue. I think I'll pass. Grilled crocodile meat. We often think of crocodiles as being something that could eat us, but did you know you can eat them? Well, in China you can. If you're gonna try some, just make sure it's properly grilled before you do. You don't want it biting back now, do you? People in China just love the chicken meat likeness of the croc, but that's not the only reason they're eating it. Apparently, the crocodile has numerous health benefits, and it can also cure respiratory illnesses like asthma. Some popular dishes prepared with crocodile include crocodile curry, crocodile tail steaks, and crocodile soup. So, would you try crocodile meat? Let me know in the comments. I have. It was no wait, that was alligator. Oh, it was awesome. Giant octopus. Sometimes eating dead stuff just isn't exciting enough. Sometimes you want your food to have more kick, literally, because it's fighting back and resisting you. Well, this octopus dish called sanachi is exactly that. This is a dish that will literally slither down your throat because it's technically still alive. This South Korean dish is served so fresh that the central ingredient, octopus, is alive on the plate, though it's dressed in sesame oil and sesame seeds to at least make it look a little more bearable. If something's going to be attacking the inside of your mouth, you want it to at least be tasty, right? Okay, when I say attacking the inside of your mouth, I'm not exaggerating for comedic effect. I am not overblowing the slight wiggling sensation you might feel thrashing against your teeth. This is a genuine danger here. The active suction cups of the tentacles can grip onto the roof of your mouth and throat, becoming a pretty serious choking hazard. Scorpions. Scorpions, also eaten in China. They are served fried, roasted, or grilled, and sometimes they're even served alive. That's right, just when you thought things couldn't get any weirder. But hey, at least they're tasty, right? Wrong. It's said that scorpions taste like moist ground. The scorpions are sometimes put into traditional liquors and sometimes mixed with herbs. These fried small scorpions are used as snacks. And also, the stingers of these scorpions are not removed due to the fact that they lose poison after they're exposed to heat. The scorpions are also used for medicinal purposes. They are so frequently consumed in China that they often appear in the dishes of many restaurants. It is recommended that they should not be cooked at home. Oh man, I was just